Ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, Valerie. Touch gloves. And begin. That's it, bro. You done right. I like it. Good job. Up. Well done. Good job. All your kicks. All your kicks. All your kicks, Danny. All your kicks. All your kicks up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Don't worry. Move. You better throw something else. You better throw something. You're going to fight this kid. Hands up, man. Hands up. Hands up. You're going to eat them all. You got 1 minute. Your hands up. Throw your jab, man. Get your combination. You got to start kicking them back. Front. Move around. Up. Good, Brooke. Good, Brooke. Good, Brooke. Good. Brooke, don't cry. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Get your hands up, Landon. Leg kicks. Cover, Brooke. Cover when he comes in. Good. Cover when he comes in. Lighten it up. All right? Lighten it up a little bit, man. Try to lighten up a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. Jab. Touch gloves.
Ready?
All right, and begin.
Ready?
Don't be a stationary target, Annie. You gotta move. All right, Grace, fight along. Use your speed. Use your speed. Keep your chin down. Use your speed. Move. Right? When you come forward, rotate out. Rotate out. Hands up. Come on, take it. Good times, really. Nice practice, JC. You got 30 seconds, guys. Get down, Grace. Keep your hands like you're walking right in with your finish on. Rotate out, rotate, move, rotate, Grace. Rotate, come.